If you know the scale, this is the G major scale and the basic chords that fit with it. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp. Back to G. Each one of these notes is going to build a chord off of it. The first one, G major. Next, A minor. Next, B minor. Next, C major. Next is the D major. And now the E minor. The F sharp diminished. Mix these chords up, play it with the scale. It's also going to work with the E minor pentatonic. And all the different modes and shapes based off of that. G pentatonic works too. And all the different modes. If you want to know how they fit together in different keys, check out the pinned comment below where you can get a free printout of a key to chord guide. Just enter in your email, you'll get it for free, or click the video on the screen. All the stuff that you see in this video is available in links in the description. My affiliate links, you'll help grow the channel. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.